Okay, let's have another go at shooting this discrete random variable business that's getting on my nerves. Let's just get this over and done with. It's something that everyone found quite difficult, so yeah, here's a video for it. First of all, what is a discrete random variable? A discrete random variable is a variable that can take any form in a kind of sort of, well, it's not continuous, it's just discrete. So it can be things like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but it will never be like something that's got arbitrary level of accuracy. That's a really confusing way of saying you're likely to get like things like whole numbers, etc. So let's take this example here. We've got p of x equals x. And what have we got here? We've got kx for 0 and 1, k for minus x for 2 and 3, and 0 otherwise. What is that telling us? It's telling us, first of all, x can either be 0, 1, 2, or 3. And it's also telling us the probability of it happening. Let's take an example. What's the chance of x being 1? You put 1 into the formula. K times x is k, obviously just k times 1. So the probability of being 1 is k. What's the chance of being 2? You put it into the relevant formula. 4 minus 2 is 2. That's 2k. Okay? What does that look like in a table form? Oh, by the way, 0 otherwise means there's no chance of being anything else. Let's have a look at this guy here. Probability table for p of x. Well, we first of all just put the values of k in as I've kind of shown you how to do just a moment ago. But immediately after that, we can see, because all probabilities add up to 1, that 4k must equal 1. Therefore, k is 0.25. So k is 0.25. And therefore, the probabilities are, as you see there, for 0, 1, 2, and 3, 0, 0.25, 0.5, and 0.25. We can also do things with like combinations of stuff. So like the one that was given in the question before was px1 plus x2. What does x1 and x2 mean? It just means we're going to do the variable that we've got here twice. Yeah? So we do x once, then do x twice. And then you've x1 and x2 is just the sum of those ones if you add them up. X plus what? x1 plus x2. You work out the probability of any given combination, and that will give you the answer for each one of these. So let's take an example. What's the chance of getting a 2? Well, there's only one way. Well, actually, there's loads of ways you can get a 2. You would get a 0 and a 2 and a 0, and a 1 and a 1. Calculate each pair of probabilities, add them together, and that will give you the value of x1 plus x2 being equal to 2. There's obviously, we've gone from here 0 to 6, because those are the only possible values you can get if you've got two sets of 0 to 3. Okay? And there, the probabilities down there. I'm not going to actually go through all of them. To be honest, if you want to learn this, probably the best thing to do is test yourself, see if you get the same values. Okay, let's see what that looks like.